If we want to make usefulness from the research, then we usually start with publishing. We have some paper accepted, and then we are happy about it, and then disseminate this, that this paper is now published in this journal with this impact factor, and then we give the title and some scientific description of the things we know. And one good thing is to write some in general way what this paper is about, because then we can reach out, and in such way maybe the usefulness from research will find its way in by this dissemination activity. But what will happen in the future is that now we have open publishing. So the paper is published in open way, everybody has access to it and can download and read and maybe make usefulness of it, or maybe contact us and make some usefulness together. But the clever way in the future is about open publishing and more open innovation and open data, sharing data. It was my cat. If we're sharing data, then we can reach out in different ways. And if we share this to multiple players, so this is becomes a multi-stakeholder process. We put in the data, and it's in the pool, and you have different users, and they have access to this data, not the raw data, but they can get the outcomes of it using algorithms or something, and then have usefulness for their purposes. And we feed it in to this pool, and maybe someone else feeds in to this pool, and then it finds different links. Like a roundabout, you have different options how to get out. So in such way, if we have a shared reality, sharing the data, we can come to more usefulness than we actually think. We have some idea that my findings can be useful over there in that application area. And data is not raw data like numbers and so on. That could be, but it's also know-how and knowledge which we have. So how to interpret these images, then it's data which I can put into this pool, and someone have use of my interpretations and make a business, and then we find links together. So then sharing data is a way to make more usefulness than only one usefulness from the research. And this is a natural step. We have open publishing, there will be more open innovation, open information, and then we cannot just have everything open without controlling it. But if we have shared data, then we have it available, but in a controlled way. And that is part of the future which will happen now when we have the new digitalization, and we need many things to be used at the same time, so everything is more efficient. Not only one-to-one, we have to have different usefulness from one and the same thing. And this is what's happening today in the modern world for the new technologies, the smart cities and the smart rural areas and whatever. So the sharing data is something we should do more of, also from the business point of view, from the research, because that creates impact, real impact. Ja, kom da. Kom da. Ja, kom da. Kom da. Vilja. Mhm. Ja, kom. Det är matdags. Ja, kom då. Mm. Ja, kom då. Kom då.